to the review of the Taylor 514 CE guitar.
I'm here at Total Entertainment in Daytona Beach, Florida. Total Entertainment has a huge selection of guitars, musical instruments, and musical accessories. If you're ever in Daytona Beach, you should stop by. Check out the link below, and now let's get to the review of the Taylor 514 CE.
I'll start off with a few specs. So this guitar has got a solid cedar top. It's got mahogany back and sides and a mahogany neck with an ebony fingerboard. Now the nice thing about the woods on this guitar, with the solid cedar top and the mahogany back and sides, it gives the guitar a very warm sound. So it still has the typical Taylor brightness, but it's toned down slightly, and it's turned into more of a warmer, flowing sound rather than a crisp, bright sound that the Taylors are known for. The guitar is Taylor's Grand Auditorium body shape, and that is a very popular body shape. And why it is popular is because it's such a versatile body shape. People use it for fingerstyle, and it's very popular in the fingerstyle community. And people also use it for strumming, and it's a very versatile strummer. People like it because it's intimate, but it's also loud enough to be played acoustically to an audience. The guitar has Taylor's Expression Electronics, which are a very well-known electronic system in the acoustic guitar world. People love it for recording and love it for stage playing. We'll move now to a close-up of the guitar so you guys can get a better look at it.
So at the top you got Taylor's closed tuners. Moving down the neck, here's the controls for Taylor's Expression Electronic System. You have a beautiful abalone rosette around the sound hole. And you also have a gloss finish, which the 500 series and up for Taylor have the glossy finish on them. So all this is gloss.
Okay everyone, that's all I got for the Taylor 514 CE. Keep an eye out for my next guitar review video because there will be more coming. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, you can send me an email or a comment on the video. Once again, I'm at Total Entertainment in Daytona Beach, which is an awesome music store, and you should stop by if you're ever in Daytona Beach. Thanks for watching.